Breaking news in the world of technology, where a century-old company is quietly revolutionizing the future. Corning, the maker of Pyrex and Gorilla Glass, is now a key player in the 5G revolution and the emerging field of generative AI. With a market capitalization of $38 billion and a plan to grow annualized revenue by $3 billion over the next 3 years, this company is poised to make a major impact on the tech landscape. But what's behind its sudden surge in popularity, and what does it mean for investors? We're about to take a closer look. Corning, the parent company of Gorilla Glass, has a diverse product portfolio that extends beyond glass protection for mobile devices. In fact, the company's product lines are so diverse that they include cookware and glass body-piercing jewelry. This may come as a surprise to some, but it's a testament to Corning's commitment to innovation and its willingness to explore unconventional applications for its glass technology. I believe this diversity is a key strength for Corning, as it allows the company to spread its risk and tap into new markets. For example, Corning's cookware business may not be as flashy as its Gorilla Glass division, but it's a steady source of revenue that can help offset any downturns in the tech industry. And let's not forget about the glass body-piercing jewelry. It may not be a huge market, but it's a niche that Corning has cornered, and it's a great example of the company's ability to think outside the box. But what really sets Corning apart is its commitment to innovation and sustainability. The company's Upcycle project is a great example of this, as it aims to reduce waste and create new products from recycled materials. This not only helps the environment, but it also helps Corning stay ahead of the curve in terms of technology and design. And let's not forget about the company's emphasis on social responsibility. Its sponsorship of the Association of Professional Piercing is just one example of its commitment to giving back to the community. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the financials? How does Corning's commitment to innovation and sustainability impact its bottom line? Well, I believe that Corning's focus on these areas is actually a key driver of its financial success. By staying ahead of the curve in terms of technology and design, Corning is able to create new products and markets that drive revenue growth. And by reducing waste and creating new products from recycled materials, the company is able to reduce its costs and improve its profitability. In terms of specific financial metrics, Corning's revenue growth has been impressive in recent years. The company has consistently beaten analyst estimates and has seen its revenue grow by double digits in several quarters. And while the company's profitability has been impacted by some one-time charges, its underlying earnings power remains strong. But what really sets Corning apart is its ability to collaborate with major technology companies and adapt to emerging trends. The company's development of a new material specifically for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is just one example of this, and it demonstrates Corning's ability to work with leading companies to create innovative products that drive growth. In terms of investment potential, I believe that Corning is a compelling story. The company's commitment to innovation and sustainability, combined with its strong financials and ability to collaborate with major technology companies, make it a great choice for investors looking for a long-term play. And while the company's stock price may be volatile in the short term, I believe that Corning's underlying fundamentals are strong enough to support a long-term investment. In conclusion, Corning is a company that is truly ahead of the curve in terms of innovation and sustainability. Its commitment to these areas is driving revenue growth and improving profitability, and its ability to collaborate with major technology companies is a key driver of its success. As an investor, I believe that Corning is a compelling story, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a long-term play in the tech industry. As we wrap up this episode of NewsPod AI from Big Blue Ceiling, I want to leave you with some investing strategies that you can consider based on the story of Corning. First, consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in companies that are leaders in their respective industries, but also have a strong track record of innovation and sustainability. Corning's commitment to these areas has driven its revenue growth and improved profitability, and it's a great example of how companies can stay ahead of the curve and create long-term value for investors. Second, consider investing in companies that have a strong track record of collaboration with major technology companies. Corning's partnership with Samsung is just one example of this, and it demonstrates the company's ability to work with leading companies to create innovative products that drive growth. Third, consider investing in companies that have a strong focus on social responsibility and community engagement. Corning's sponsorship of the Association of Professional Piercing is just one example of this, and it demonstrates the company's commitment to giving back to the community and creating long-term value for its stakeholders. Finally, consider investing in companies that have a strong track record of innovation and are willing to think outside the box. Corning's development of glass body piercing jewelry may seem like an unusual product, but it's a great example of the company's willingness to explore new markets and create new products that drive revenue growth. In conclusion, the story of Corning is a great example of how companies can stay ahead of the curve and create long-term value for investors by focusing on innovation, sustainability, and social responsibility. I hope these investing strategies will be helpful to you as you consider your own investment portfolio. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of NewsPod AI from Big Blue Ceiling. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And if you'd like to learn more about Corning and other companies like it, be sure to check out our website and social media channels for more information. Until next time, I'm your host, and this is NewsPod AI from Big Blue Ceiling.